So we'll start with our feet hip width apart, just below each hip, and inhale, bring the arms up. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, slowly release, keep the knees soft, relax your body. If you need to be higher up, stay higher up. Inhale, stretch only your head up. Nice deep breath. Exhale, breathe all the air out. Relax the body. Inhale to come up again. Bring the hands together. Look up. Exhale, bring the arms down. Let's try that again. Inhale. Deep breath. Listen to your breath. Exhale. Use the entire out breath to slowly go down. Inhale. Pick up the head and the chest. Exhale. Relax. Inhale. Come up one last time. Exhale. Relax the arms. So imagine your place where you feel comfortable and relaxed, and try to be one with that feeling of relaxation. What is it about that place that's relaxing? And then taking the knees hip width apart, stretching the arms forward. Take them as far forward as you can, keeping the hips up, and just rest the forehead down, relaxing the shoulders. We're in puppy pose, and slowly look up. Slowly come back onto your elbows, turn over and come on to your back. If your back feels good just that way in Shavasana, relax the legs, relax the arms, relax the shoulders, and see, as you scan through your body, are you holding tension anywhere in your body? Place any one hand on your belly button, on your navel, and focus on breathing by allowing the abdomen to expand when you inhale. And if this feels good, you can bring the other hand onto your chest, allowing both to move as you inhale, the stomach as well as the chest. Try breathing out through the nostrils, but if it feels really good and you want to relax your jaw, you can inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Open the mouth wide to relax the jaw. One more time.